Hey guys, Phil Thompson here, streamingchurch.tv. Thanks for using streamingchurch.tv for all your streaming video needs. So we're going to show you how you can record your live stream using our DVR. So there, you go over here to the left to the admin control panel. There's a couple ways to do this. One is you can go over here to the streaming page and you'll see DVR record. Another way would be to go to recordings and you'll see DVR record. So let's click DVR record. All right, so here's what you're going to see. There's no stream going here, but this is where you could start it manually or you could set the auto recorder. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start a stream. I'm just going to start, this is a test account, and I'm going to go ahead and start a stream that it's from a podcast that we did. And so I'll start that stream so you can kind of see what happens. Now, there you see it. So this was the confidence monitor. You saw earlier there was no stream detected. Now there's a stream detected. Yay. And this would give you an idea what's going on. Like I said, it's a podcast, me drinking some soda pop or something while we interview. And you can start recording manually right here. And you'll see that there's a file name that goes with today's date. Or you can change this, but make sure you always have .mp4 at the end of it, whatever you want to name it. And then after you're done, you can click stop recording. It will be on your on-demand server, and you can go over to the Media Vault later, which will show you, and you can retrieve it and link it to your Media Vault. So there's another way you can automatically record, and that's by clicking Auto Recorder. So if you click Auto Recorder, this takes you to your service times. Now again, this is a test account, and I only have a Monday service time scheduled and a Saturday one. I've got Saturday already scheduled here. Make sure that you have got the right time here, that the duration is going to be 120 minutes or less or more. It just depends. You can set it for more, and then when you actually stop your live encoder, it will stop recording, obviously. So once you decided what service you want to automatically record, you can click Save, Schedule Recording, and there you have it. So the next time you start your stream, and here's something that you do need to know, and that is your stream needs to be going. So in this case, I've got a 2 p.m. Saturday afternoon service scheduled. I need to start my stream 1:59 p.m. If I started at 2:01 or 2:02 or 2:03, it's not going to record on the DVR. It's got to see that stream at or before the scheduled time. So this, of course, goes back to where you would schedule your events, this deal here. I hope this makes some sense, but you can always reach out to us at streamingchurch.tv.